Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, try Sicilian. Do a profile check. He's gone up to 2485, licensed to kill on the 5-minute auto pairing. That was in 2014. $2485. That's higher than my max. From here we are, we're on the same rating. Ne4 Be7, right. Get out of the firing line. Maybe E5 was necessary there. I just realised. E5 would have been good. No, it's too late. Am I under the cosh, as they say sometimes? Under the collar here. Or can I use the play Rook D7 for a moment? Rook D7, Knight G5. Okay, I'll play Rook G7. Knight G5, H6. Surely. What about, is the move F6 any good? To try and play for E5, I wonder. Weakening my light squares. Wasn't this rook just hanging? Like now, isn't this just rook hanging? You've completely forgot about this. I completely forgot about it. It's just oh, too scared by his previous auto pairing being 2485, man, to think this guy doesn't blunder. This guy doesn't blunder. Please, please, give it a pairing. Okay, he may have been to 2485, but he's pretty mortal at the moment. Jeez, man, what the hell? What the heck? Pardon me, pardon the French. I go and play this. I was wanting to play E5 earlier. It's a total blunder, Queen. It looked positional. It looked like probing, positional. I was convinced by it. The style of it, the style I was convinced by. You can sometimes be convinced by the style of a move, but there's a slight downside of this move. It's a weakness of the last move. If you look at the old classics, they're often just winning basically, or could have improved on weaknesses of the last move. Sometimes both sides are just oblivious to that. It's here, it's just a classic weakness of the last move. Basically, I didn't expect him to blunder a rook. I'm glad I spotted it at the right time still, when he left it for the second time. Anyway, I think I should have played E5 earlier. Yeah, around here is horrible. Even this supports E5 on Bishop F4, you know, I think. The compromise is the light squares, clearly, and I know. I've had this problem before. E5 immediately might be okay. But no, it looks like White's really quite comfortable. That's very comfortable for White, very nice position. So what have I got to do? Queen C7, Bishop E3? Try and contest the C5 square, and there's always E5, of course. When I played it, rook's hanging. I forgot. Yeah. All right. Thanks so much. Comedy again. Comments, questions, like, shares, appreciate it. Thanks so much.